Hello friends, a very good afternoon to all. Today we will discuss one of the very important pramana, which is Anumana. In my previous class we have gone through all the six pramana under the Indian logics. So Anumana means inference. On the basis of my previous knowledge or because of something region, I do inference something known as a Anumana. Suppose if I take example, there is smoke at the mountains. So because of the smoke, I can inference there would be fire at the mountains. So under the Anumana, there are three component, three parts. One is Paks, second one is Hetu, third one is Sadhya. Paks means object. Suppose here we have a mountain is object on which I can see the smoke. And second is Hetu, because of the smoke I can inference the fire. So Hetu means region. Third one is Sadh. Sadh means the final output or fire, which I can inference because of the Hetu. So Paksh means minor term, Hetu is the middle term, and Sadh is a major term. So if I take relationship between these terms, one is Paksh Dharmata. Paksh Dharmata is the relationship between the minor term and middle term. That means between Paksh and Hetu. And another one is a Vyapti. Vyapti is a relation between Hetu and Sadhya, or the relationship between the middle term and major term. Another one is a Paramsa. Paramsa is a relation between the minor term, which is Paksha, and the major term, which is Sadhya, which is known as a Paramsa. Other than that, other words, one is Ling, that means the characteristics of the Paksha or the characteristic of an object. Here the Paksha, we have a mountain. Suppose the characteristics of a mountain, like where it is located, how long is it, at which part the smog is would comes out. So these all are the characteristics which are associated with the Paksh, known as a link. Another one is a Drastant. Drastant, by taking any of the Paksh, Hetu or Sadh, if you are citing any example, which is known as a Drasta. Another term which is Hetu Bhav. Hetu Bhav means a kind of fallacy, or I can say any fallacy in the Indian logic known as a Hetu Bhav. That means when any error occurred between the Hetu and Sadhya, which is known as a Hetu Bhav. So if I do get to inference that there is no fire at the mountain, even though the smog is coming out, so that is known as a fallacy or Hetu Bhav or Hetu Bhav. So these all are the terms which are very important related to the Anumana, one of the very important pramana. So in my further classes, we do take some examples which are related to the pramana. So I hope you do clear with these terms. Now you can you would be attempt any questions related to the Indian logics. Thank you.